I'm from a single-story ranch home on a postage stamp lot. From Pepsi because Coke never supported the local IBEW. And flame-resistant cotton head to toe, the electrician's daily uniform. I'm from the Rouge River, the broadleaf sycamore tree in the front yard, and the rush hour traffic sounds from 6 Mile Road. From the no man's land between burned down and out Detroit, and the squeaky clean, wealthy suburbs, and from navigating the space between these worlds. I'm from two separate parents, living with each during separate times, splitting my identity into different lives. From summer weeks spent on beaches and boats, to winter weeks spent shoveling snow and making fires in the potbelly stove. From the low country townhome to the Florida coast, to the cookie cutter suburbs, to the not so seedy mobile home, never trailer park. I'm from meatloaf and pot roast on Sundays. I am from Audrey and Chuck, Myrtle and Ken, Susan and Big Mike. From Smiths, Youngs, Frasers, and Harkins. From Ireland, Scotland, Canada, and Cherokee Nation. I'm from you're going to college whether you want to or not because we didn't, and you can be anything you want, even if I still haven't figured that out. I'm from loud voices, big appetites, and belly laughs. I am from thick thighs, low self esteem, and self starvation. I'm from non practicing, non specific Christianity. The church I was truly raised in was the kitchen, where following my guru, aka my mom, around turned into a lifelong worship of growing, cooking, and eating food. From hummus and avgo lamono, sushi and stir fry, steak and potatoes, corned beef and cabbage. I'm from the fun, drunken family stories from the Smith and Harkinses, and the dramatic drunken stories from the Frasers and Youngs. From Aunt Marlene running Aunt Judy's pantyhose up the flagpole, to the fireflies at Jellystone Campground, to Aunt Stacy putting out a Christmas wreath on fire in the dining room with Diet Pepsi. I am from traveling the world with and without purpose, from the evening markets of Bangkok to from the sandy beaches and rough surf in Gaul, from the Matramandir in Oroville, from the elephant sanctuary in Mandalkiri. I am from the photos in the shoebox on the top shelf of the coat closet, the big yellow-lidded container in the basement, and the high school graduation scrapbook made especially by Mom.